Hey everybody, so I went ahead and put in all of my private information in order to set up a new stand store by clicking on the link that I showed you. And of course, you would have clicked on your own coach's link that you're working with. And you'll notice that after you name your store, it's going to be stand.store/ and whatever new name you've named it. So I just chose to do $29 for 1 month because I already have a stand store and I won't be keeping this one. Um, but I needed to show you guys the steps. So there was some private things that I just didn't show. It was literally step by step. All you had to do was just keep selecting the next item. You had to put in credit card information and choose either 1 month or yearly. After you were done with that, it asked you just name a couple social media accounts, and you could always go back and edit that. And I'm going to show you how to do that. So once you get there, then you're ready to just kind of begin the beginning of your stand store. So if you were ever going to share your stand store, I'm going to go ahead and copy that and open up another window and hit enter. As of right now, this is how blank the stand store looks. So we're going to go, I mean, there's my TikTok and my Instagram, because initially, whenever you first set up paying for your account, you're allowed to choose two of them. You can always add more. So we're going to go back here and we're going to hit over here on the left-hand side. We're going to go down to settings. I just want to show you a little bit. So, this is what I named it. Mary Massey Marketing at gmail.com, Mary Massey Marketing. And then you guys all know now my phone number. And then, there's my password information. And then there's other stuff down here. You're going to add in your address. I'm not going to do all this because, like I said, I'm not keeping this account. But you do, down here, it says Stand Store Referral Banner. So it says upgrade to Creator Pro to hide the Stand Store referral banner. Well, we're not going to do that yet. So we're going to go ahead and go on to where it says My Store. Now, notice on the left-hand side, there's things for income. It'll tell you you haven't made any income yet, but it's a really beautiful income. Their analytics are off the chain in Stand Store. So you're going to know what day you sold something, what exactly you sold, how many you sold of that item. And so it'll also color band to show you what was your hottest product. You can sort your latest orders by date and time, email, product, amount, discount code, payment method, or status. Now, you can only use a discount code if you have the $99 version. So just letting you know that. So the analytics page looks like this. It says I've had one store visitor. I was the visitor, obviously, but it'll show you, how many store visits. It'll tell you if you have any leads. That means people who possibly clicked on your item to look at it or clicked on and downloaded your freebie. And I suggest all of you get a good freebie. Don't get a junky freebie. Get a freebie, something that you would have actually paid some money for, and then give it away. Make sure that you look at your license agreement if it's a product that you're bringing in, but you definitely want a freebie. And so I just wanted to show you, like, this literally shows you everything. Your conversion rates, how many referrals you've got. That means how many people signed up under you. The traffic source, you'll be able to see, did they come in from Facebook? Did they come in from TikTok? Did they come in from Instagram, Pinterest, YouTube? So you'll know where they came from. Break down how many people clicked for each button that was clicked. So that's really awesome. How many product views you got. And then it'll say audience, and this will actually be where you have who signed up in your store that you now are building a list for. And then there's a more button. You can, if you have the $99 version, you could do funnels. You can check out your referrals, and it just tells you share your referral link. Your friends sign up for Stand Store, and then you earn a 20% profit share. So this will be if I copy that, and I would put that in a very special place, we're going to have that as your referral link. So anytime someone tries to sign up in Stan Store, that's going to be your referral link. So we're going to get rid of that because we actually don't need that right this minute. But I just wanted to show you that's where you find it, okay? So you hit the more button and there's referrals. Email flows only happens with the $99 version. Appointments can happen with any version. So let's go back to my store and we're going to begin. So give me just a second. I'm going to show you, we're going to hit add a digital product. But before we do that, I want to make my screen side by side because in order to make this easier for you, I have created a document and I'm going to share that document with the coaches so that they can share it with you. And it's going to make you signing up for all of your digital products, at least 2 of them today, a breeze. So just give me a second and I will do that. That will be in the next step of the video.